How to check transaction fees in Indodax. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Customer Service under Help Center. A browser window will open and in the search bar type transaction fees to access the latest fee information directly from Indodax. Next, tap on the wallet option in the bottom section of the screen and select the currency you want to check the transaction fees for, either IDR, Indonesian Rupiah or a cryptocurrency. For crypto transactions, tap on Deposit or Withdraw and you will see the network fee or transaction fee displayed before confirming the transaction. This fee varies depending on the blockchain network and coin type, so make sure to review it carefully. Checking transaction fees beforehand ensures you know the cost of depositing, withdrawing, or trading on Indodax and helps you plan your crypto activities more efficiently. Now you know how to check transaction fees in Indodax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.